Hello everyone, my name is Komal Kailas Suryavanshi. So today's our topic is code reuse in OOPS. So what is OOPS? OOPS is a object-oriented programming system. The main important part of object-oriented programming system is code reusability, enabled through inheritance and polymorphism. Uh, in inheritance, there are five types of inheritance. Multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance are unused inheritance, and there are three used inheritance, that is hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and single inheritance. And also polymorphism have two types: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. In inheritance, there is code reusability is an important part of inheritance. Suppose one child class and one parent class. So parent class, we write some code on in parent class. So child class acquires some properties and features of parent class. So this is called a code reusability in OOPS. Then there are in polymorphism, compile time polymorphism have same return type, same class but different parameters. There is a compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is also known as a static polymorphism. Then in runtime polymorphism, there are same parameter, same return type, but same parameter, same return type, but different classes. There is runtime polymorphism. And in compile time polymorphism, there is method overloading is important in OOPS. And in runtime polymorphism, there is method overriding in polymorphism, and this is also a part of OOPS. Then we talk about what is code reusability. Suppose inheritance. In inheritance is also known as a relationship, and use of inheritance, that is parent class to child class, there is a main part of code reusability. Then we talk about there are used some terms in code reusability. First is class. So class is a group of object which acquires properties. So there is also happen code reusability. Then we talk about subclass. Subclass is achieve the all properties of superclass. So there is also a code reusability happen. Then we talk about upper class. So superclass is also known as upper class. Subclass inherits the all properties of superclass. Then we talk about reusability. So as the same specifies, reusability is the mechanism which form the reuse the fields and methods of the class, that is code reusability. Then we talk about unused inheritance, that is multiple and hybrid. That multiple and hybrid inheritance used in interface only. So this is all about code reusability in OOPS. Thank you.